So if you're someone who has become a part of TikTok's affiliate shop program as a creator, and you're just looking for a little bit further knowledge on how to actually navigate the program and how to get started with samples and things like that, then this is going to be the perfect video for you guys to watch, because I'm seeing this comment a lot. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. As you guys know, here on my channel I give absolutely free information that's going to help you grow and excel your online business, whether it's a product-based business, a service-based business, or a business as a content creator. And before I move on to the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, become a part of the notification gang so you never miss one of the videos here, you guys. These videos are for your benefit, you guys. I'm creating this content. This is like stuff that I already know, but I know that's gonna help other people, so that's why I create this type of content. Go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so you have signed up for TikTok's affiliate account. You have your account, but now you're feeling stuck. Like you just don't know what to do after you have created your account. So if you are a smaller page, and let's say you just hit 5K, or let's say even you put your profile on business so that you're able to take advantage of the TikTok affiliate account, because you can do this on a business page and you don't have to have 5,000 followers. So a lot of people are doing that, which I don't really encourage, because on the business profile you cannot use trending music, and when it comes to TikTok, trending music is going to play a major part with your content getting pushed out and your content going viral and your content just being seen. So let's say you are completely new to affiliate marketing and you have no idea what you're supposed to be doing. So chances are, if you're new and you're feeling this way, you're not gonna get approved for samples because you haven't started yet, probably have no content on your page, or you have no affiliate content on your page. So the first thing you want to do is start creating unboxing content. Start creating affiliate content. It doesn't matter if you're using the products in your house. You can go on TikTok Shop on the marketplace and see if you can find any products that are in your house that might be on TikTok Shop. You can do a video using those products, and these are products that you already have. If you don't have products on hand, then you definitely want to go ahead and go in the TikTok Shop marketplace and start purchasing products. It doesn't matter if it's cheap products, expensive products. I would say to start off with cheap products. Like you can start off with skincare, you can start off with hair, you can start off with socks, slippers. It doesn't matter. Something that's super affordable. So you want to grab a few products. The cool thing with TikTok's affiliate marketing program is that they do give you coupons and they give you discounts, and sometimes, a lot of times, you get free shipping. So you want to utilize this. You need products to start creating content. I always tell you guys, you can't expect for brands to work with you, or you can't expect for brands to want to send you free products if you're not already creating affiliate content. Like, they need to know that they're not going to be losing out on money by sending you products. It's not so much about your follower amount, because you could be somebody that just hit 5K and you can get a viral video and then make a bunch of money as an affiliate, thus helping that business. So they're not really worried about your content views. They're more so worried about if you're actually going to go ahead and publish the content from the product that they have sent you. So this is going to kind of build up trust with the TikTok affiliate sellers if your profile has already affiliate content. And you guys know I have 1.4 million followers on TikTok, so the affiliate program is really good for me. It's easy for me to get samples. But then on the other hand, I have my daughter. She does it. She's 16 years old, and her account just hit 5K, and she's able to get samples. So she does not have a very large platform, but she's still able to get samples. There's brands emailing her, there's brands messaging her, and she can apply through samples straight from the TikTok app. So it does not matter how many followers you have. If you're over 5K, you can get free samples as long as you're already producing affiliate content on your page. And it's quite interesting to me, because whenever I release like an affiliate ebook or a course, I get this question a lot. Like, you guys have to realize that brands do not trust you. Like, they get ripped off a lot. There's people who going in for samples and then they're sending them and they never publish the content. Like, that happens a lot. So once your profile is built up, that is going to establish trust with the brands, and they will be more quick to send you samples. Again, does not matter how many followers you have. You can have 5,000 followers and still get free samples. So just work on building up your profile, and I like to refer to the profiles as our portfolios, because this is where the brands are going to go to see the type of work that we are offering as an affiliate. So that is going to be it for this video. I wanted to make this video super super short, super sweet, because I said I get this question a lot. So I'm gonna be directing you guys who asked me this right to this video. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys will not miss any of these informational videos. Literally, I'm here to help you guys grow. I'm already in it. Like, I'm already living the successful content creator life. So just my goal is just to help other people do the same thing. So yeah. Oh, and if you guys have not checked yet, go ahead and check the description for my Master Influencer course. It is now live and I'm super excited for the course. I'm getting such amazing feedback. Like, I swear, I literally over delivered with that course. Not only are you learning how to become a creator, you're learning how to edit, you're learning how to do photos, you're learning how to do Canva, literally everything. And then I also, because it's me, I also included my marketing course inside the influencer course, and that marketing course is $200 alone. So yeah, you guys go figure. Super excited. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye guys.